Hello and welcome to another alert wave analysis. So today I want to talk about the S&P 500 and where I think it would go. So actually I have already give this analysis on the 25th of February, right? That I was expecting like an ending diagonal kind of setup. So if you look at this, it was when it was at the wave 3, right? And so I was expecting a wave 4 and a wave 5. So if you click on this, you can see that we have moved down, even though it didn't really hit the bottom of the trend line, but that's okay. And we have a move up, right? So now the question is this the end of 5, or is this actually just part of wave 5? So let's take a deeper look into this. So this is where we are right now, right? So I'll still put this potential ending diagonal over here, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, right? And then over here 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, right? Now this wave itself, it could be a 1, 2, right? And then the 3. And what's amazing is that this drop here, it actually holds the bottom here, right? Exactly, right? So now what is important for us to determine whether this wave is really the last wave, because you could have counted this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 with a very shallow 5, right? Uh, but the thing is, this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, or this could be a B C with a short C, right? Not ideal, right? But let's see how it moves, because this is on the 15 minutes, right? And 15 minutes the wave are actually more noisy, so don't read too much into this. So now, one thing to take note on, we need to be plan how do we trade this is two things, right? If this wave starts to move up, I would expect this to be the last wave, in a sense that it's A, B, C, or rather 1, 2, 3, all right? Or since this is ending diagonal, okay, so you will reach around here on maybe Thursday morning, yeah, the start of the trading session, right? If not, the other entry point, right, is when it breaks the low here, which is 5056. Or when you reach 5055, that's where you can actually short. So two entry point, one is here at the top, the other entry point is when it breaks. Okay, two entry points. So so why do I have this analysis that is is really short? The other thing is when we look at uh, intermarket analysis, we look at also bonds, which I've also published. So I've published it on the 4th of March, right? I'm expecting the 10-year bond yields to crash, right? 10 years, 20 years doesn't matter, right? It's just the longer term to crash. So uh, one of the things is that bond will move first before the equity markets, right? And the other thing is usually bonds trader are the one on the institutional level, and they are the smarter money compared to equities, right? So if you look at this, right, we can see that the 10-year yield, right, I have plotted out a 5 wave. So now this will be a 1, ABC 2, and I'm actually expecting a third wave down. Okay, the equivalent is actually the futures will move up, right? So since I'm also expecting this to go down the wave 3, which is a crash in the 10-year yield, right? It should have a corresponding move down in the S&P 500 also, right? So this analysis still stays, right? We still have these 5 wave up, right? It could be the last wave, which will be Thursday or Wednesday end, right? Or if not, if this is really the end, right? This is a new high anyway. The other entry point is a short below 5056. So that's it. Thank you.